Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the fascinating process that I'm going to do. It's painting and decorating our vases and pots. Since my study in academy, I've loved to experiment with different textures and shades. Sometimes this process can significantly improve the appearance of your item and sometimes spoil. We are going to go through 3 techniques today. It's painting with different colors, add texture by mixing cement with pigment, and use the thread. I'll start with the simplest technique. So any creation you can paint with acrylic paint, gouache or watercolor paint, or maybe even oil paint, anything at all. There are no pitfalls, it is very simple and you can paint the vases your heart desires. It could be ancient Greek ornament or just abstract style. Maybe there is one thing: when drying acrylic paints, gouache and watercolor will lose brightness. If you like the effect of boho and muffled colors, that's what you need. But if you want to return brightness of the product, you can cover it with a special varnish or glue, and in this way the product will look smoother and satiny. I'll talk about different types of varnish in the next video. The second type is the editing of texture with cement and pigment. I mix cement with the pigment to the condition of the melted butter. I have no other association. In general, it should not be very liquid, but at the same time should be easily applied to your vase. Pigment you can buy online on Amazon or European site Temu. What do I like about this technique? It creates the effect kind of ancient style, boho style. I put this mixture on some areas and I blend it around with fingers. It doesn't have any rules, so just put wherever you want. You can make 2 mixtures of different colors and play creating beautiful textures and transitions. Like here, for example. It's all done in this technique. And the latest technique is the use of thread. So what I'm gonna do, I choose this thread. I like it just that it's not smooth and creates a very cool texture finish. The idea of this technique is that I dip the thread into liquid concrete mixture and apply it to the products, creating such a chaotic vibe. I love this technique because it somehow reminds me of Asian style, like Bali products, Bali items. I give the product a good dry and then you can paint it in any shades. In this technique, I like to use acrylic paintings with black shades and put a bit of sienna or umbre shades. It looks very cool and stylish. Well, I kind of told you how you can decorate your concrete masterpieces. I hope this will inspire you to create cool items for your home. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please do. I will definitely answer. See you next time.